What is a hard disk drive? A hard disk drive is a data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid, rapidly rotating disks coated with magnetic material. The platters are paired with magnetic heads, usually arranged on a moving actuator arm, which read and write data on the platter surfaces. Data is accessed in a random access manner, meaning that individual blocks of data can be stored or retrieved in any order and not only sequentially. HDDs are a type of non-volatile storage, retaining stored data even when powered off. Introduced by IBM in 1956, HDDs became the dominant secondary storage device for general-purpose computers by the early 1960s. More than 200 companies have produced HDDs historically. Though after extensive industry consolidation, most current units are manufactured by Seagate, Toshiba, and Western Digital. The primary characteristics of a HDD are its capacity and performance. Capacity is specified in unit per pixels corresponding to powers of 1000. A 1 TB drive has a capacity of 100 gigabytes, where 1 GB is equal to 1 billion bytes. The two most common form factors of HDDs are 3.5 inch for desktop computers and 2.5 inch primarily for laptops. HDDs are connected to systems by standard interface cables such as PATA, parallel ATA, SATA, serial ATA, USB or SAS, serial attached SCSI cables. SCSI, pronounced SCSI, and sometimes colloquially known as SCSI, the Small Computer System Interface. Let's look into the improvements of HDD characteristics over time. Let's look into how they all started in 1956 and how it has been developed to 2017. So the parameters follows. Capacity when formatted. It started with 3.75 megabytes and ended in 14 terabytes. Physical volume 68 cubic feet, 1.9 cubic meter. Now it is just 2.1 cubic inches, that is 34 cubic centimeters. Weight 2000 pounds, around 910 kgs. Now it is just 2.2 ounces, 62 grams. Average access time approximately 600 milliseconds. Now it is just 2.210 milliseconds. Read-write depends on the RAM. Price, it was $9,200 per megabyte in 1961. Now they just cost $0.32 per gigabyte by 2015. Data density 2000 bits per square inch. Now it is 1.3 terabits per square inch in 2015. Average lifespan 200 hours. Mean time between failures back in 1956. Now they are 2.5 million hours mean time between failures in 2017. Thank you.